Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more, over the Internet, the cloud. Instead of hosting and managing these resources on local infrastructure, cloud computing allows businesses and individuals to access and utilize these services on demand from cloud service providers. Here's a breakdown of key aspects and benefits of cloud computing. 1. Service models. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources such as virtual machines, storage, and networks. Users have control over the operating system and applications, but are responsible for managing them. Platform as a Service, PaaS, offers a platform with development tools, libraries, and services. Users can focus on building and deploying applications without worrying about infrastructure management. Software as a Service, SaaS, provides ready-to-use software applications accessible through a web browser or API. Users can use the software without handling installation, maintenance, or infrastructure management. 2. Deployment models. Public cloud services are delivered over the Internet by third-party providers to multiple organizations. Resources are shared among users, offering scalability and cost efficiency. Private cloud infrastructure is dedicated to a single organization, either managed internally or by a third party. It provides more control, security, and customization options. Hybrid cloud combines public and private cloud environments, allowing data and applications to be shared between them. It offers flexibility and the ability to leverage both environments as needed. 3. Benefits of cloud computing. Scalability. Cloud services can scale resources up or down based on demand, allowing organizations to handle traffic spikes or accommodate growth without over-provisioning. Cost efficiency. Cloud computing eliminates upfront infrastructure costs and offers pay-as-you-go pricing models, reducing capital expenses. Users only pay for the resources they consume. Reliability and availability. Cloud providers offer robust infrastructure with redundant systems, ensuring high availability and minimizing downtime. Flexibility. Cloud services provide the flexibility to rapidly deploy and scale applications, experiment with new technologies, and adapt to changing business needs. Security. Cloud providers implement stringent security measures and employ teams of experts to protect data and infrastructure. However, users must also implement proper security practices. 4. Common cloud services. Compute, virtual machines, VMs, containers, serverless functions, and batch processing services. Storage, object storage, file storage, databases, and data warehousing solutions. Networking, virtual networks, load balancers, content delivery networks, CDNs, and VPN connections. Database, relational databases, NoSQL databases, and managed database services. Analytics, big data processing, data lakes, machine learning, and business intelligence tools. 5. Considerations and challenges. Data privacy and compliance. Organizations must ensure compliance with regulations and protect sensitive data when storing it in the cloud. Vendor lock-in. migrating between cloud providers can be challenging, and dependencies on specific cloud services may limit flexibility. Network connectivity. Reliable and high-speed internet connectivity is crucial for accessing cloud services effectively. Cloud computing has revolutionized the IT industry by providing scalable, cost-effective, and accessible computing resources to businesses of all sizes. It enables organizations to focus on their core competencies while leveraging the expertise and infrastructure of cloud service providers.